Hey guys, this is Stephen Bouis from the Happy Profits. Going to do a recap of KZIA that we traded today. So we're going to go show you all the trades that we took. Basically in pre-market, I woke up and I missed some of this, so you just got to let it go. But yeah, here's a nice ascending wedge. I always like to identify things that I should be able to see. Right here we have one more pullback. A good little fight there with, you'll see the candles right here at the top and then on the bottom. And then this is what I get delivered to myself. So I do call out this 1086 to this retrade right here. We took this right about maybe 20 minutes before the open. And then yes, pretty big fight here. Took a lot of trades in the middle here, and then I waited for this to keep stabilizing. So when this, I was looking for another ascending wedge right here, and it broke down. And it broke down right here, and we got in pretty much here, and we did have a couple trades that got in right on that pin bar right here, which is this candle right here. And if you're a little later, this was a good simple entry. But you would have to be on a 15-second chart, which is I usually do on the back side of the chart, just to let you know that. Got a good trade here, and then we saw it break down here. It was trying to stabilize here, didn't really do a good job. And then yes, it finally did do a inverted head and shoulders. Here's your shoulder, your head, and your other shoulder. And it broke out one more time right here. And then it broke down one more time. And basically that's what stocks are. They're just cycles. They're just cycles of stock running. And so you got to get used to that. And then right here, just a little bit ago, I got an 885 to 9. That was a good 60-cent pop. And then just waiting here patiently, you start seeing the higher lows coming right here. And this got shoved under here twice, but it did hold price. And basically a good little trade was the 940 to 10. That was just VWAP. And then yes, right here, I did this one more trade right here because it did form again. Look, the buyers are willing to hold more. And then the breakout, and then this keeps being the impulse line right here. This 10-15 line, and every time, even right there, I took one, and right here took another. So basically this 10 and 15 is really the impulse line where it's relaxed enough to go again. And if you look at support, it's a lot further up here in this area right here. But that was the break of structure right there when it broke to the upside. So that was the only stock I really traded today. Even if I missed this, I missed this. I just wait for the open to present some normal trades that I'm used to, which is down here. It's on a faster chart, and then a trade later here that did run a lot, but it did get pushed back down. And if you look right at this same area, that was buyers trying and sellers just shoving it right back down into the face of it. So that was the largest candle wick. That's a good time to short because it does show you the highest volume is the sell-off. Here's the retest of this little area, and then a breakdown until it slowly just built up. So hey guys, y'all have a good day. This is Stephen Bouis at the Happy Profits. Have a great one.